Hello students, this is your revision video of first chapter. This chapter is for unit test 1. So the name of the chapter is Introduction to Microsoft Access. Now next is, from this chapter you need to learn the all tricky terms which are there at the end of your chapter. See, the database means, what do you mean by the database? An organized collection of information or data. Database management system, a set of programs that allow storage, modification and retrieval of information from a database. Record, information about an entity stored in a row. Next is a field, a column in a table that contains some information about the record. Then primary key, one or more fields that uniquely identifies or identify every record in a table. Then next is a datasheet view, the view that is used to enter data in a table. These all tricky terms you need to learn for your unit test exam. Next one is memory byte. Okay, in this memory byte, see what is there in your full chapter. Okay, all the summary will be given over here. See, the Microsoft Access is a database application that can store and manage a large volume of data. Its latest version is 2013. The database object in Access 2013s are tables, forms, queries, reports, macros and modules. You can create databases using a template or from scratch. Then a data type. Next you have a data type specification for a field, control what you can enter in that field. Next is the datasheet view, is a primarily for entering data in a table. You can also insert, delete, rename, move, hide and freeze columns, change the data type of a column, search, filter and sort data. You can also sum, sort and filter data in the Access 2013. Okay, all the summary will be given in the memory byte. Okay, you need to learn these all. Next you will have your filling the blanks which are there at the end of your chapter. Okay, see, the options are given over here, but in your test, in your unit test, only two options will be given, so you need to select the correct option. Okay, see, the first one, first filling the blanks. See, whatever there here in the red color, this is your answer. Okay, whatever there in the red color, this is your answer. The table organizes data into rows and columns. Okay, so likewise you need to learn all these filling the blanks. See students, I already gave you the answers over here. Okay, you have to only prepare for this. Okay, you don't have to search any answers in your textbooks. So please go through this video and prepare all this filling the blanks. Then true or false. See, the answers are available here, true or false, 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 then true, true, true. Okay, all answers are available. Then next is choose the correct option. Okay, then here also you will get the two options, you need to select the correct option from here. Okay, likewise choose the correct option will be available in your exam. Understood students? So please prepare for your exam very well. You have already video, go through these all videos. I will sort out this video chapter wise. Okay, this is your first chapter video, so you can easily prepare this video, you can easily solve the questions, and only objective types of questions are coming. Answer the following is not coming. Okay, so it's very easy to you. Please prepare all this filling the blank, true or false, and choose the correct option. Okay, and here you can read this one also, memory bytes and tricky terms. Understood all of you? I am putting here only easy questions, so please don't worry, please prepare yourself very well. Till then, thank you students, have a nice day and all the best.